Best way to clean granite countertops. Dear friends, granite kitchen countertops have remained very popular since the early 2000s. This natural stone is beautiful, resists bacteria and staining, and gives off a lustrous shine. Just remember, granite requires a specific cleaning routine to ensure the sealant doesn't wear off. When cleaning granite, don't use harsh chemicals, acidic cleaners, or abrasive scrubbing tools. You're better off using some dish soap and water. Keep your natural stone counters looking great for years to come with this guide to cleaning granite countertops. How to care for granite countertops. Most granite countertop installations come with a layer of sealant. This top layer seals the pores in the natural stone. The trick to keeping your granite countertops clean is to reseal the stone every 2 to 4 years. You'll know it's time to reseal your counters when it becomes difficult to wipe up spills or if water drops don't bead up anymore. It's possible to seal granite countertops yourself, but you'll enjoy better results if you hire a professional to reseal the granite on your behalf. How to clean granite countertops. With a properly sealed countertop, you're ready to start cleaning. Follow these tips for the best way to clean granite. Don't use harsh chemicals, acidic cleaners, or abrasive scrubbing tools. Stick with warm water, mild dish soap, and a soft microfiber cloth. Steer clear of vinegar, which can dull the granite and weaken the sealant, though there are plenty of other ways to clean with vinegar around the house. Also, avoid abrasive scrubbers that could scratch the stone. Wipe up spills as soon as possible. Granite isn't as porous as marble, so it's less susceptible to soaking up oils and stains. Still, you should wipe spills immediately with a soft cloth as a simple preventative measure. Clean with warm water and a couple of drops of dish soap. Wet a cloth and apply a bit of soap to the countertop or your cloth. Wipe the entire surface once to clean it. Wring your rag in fresh water periodically to avoid spreading food, dirt, and grease. When you're finished with the soap, rinse your rag and wipe down the counter with fresh water to remove any soap residue. Dry the countertop. Always use a clean microfiber cloth to dry the countertop once you're finished, otherwise, you may end up with water spots. Consider using special granite countertop cleaner. Check the cleaning aisle at your grocery or big box store for granite countertop cleaning products. It's not necessary to use special cleaners, warm water and soap work just fine, but this is an option if you wish to utilize it. Make your own granite countertop cleaner. Mix 50-50 rubbing alcohol and water and add 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Voila! You have your own DIY granite cleaner. Soap and water usually do the trick, but if you want a quick way to disinfect or clean the granite, this spray works great. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.